How to stop calls on Messenger app. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to stop calls on Messenger app. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Head into the settings of your mobile device. Scroll down. Now select apps. Tap app management. Now tap search bar at top and type in Messenger to search Messenger app info section. Open it and on this app info section, you need to select permission option. Scroll down. Now tap phone and tap don't allow. Come back and after you do that, your calls on Messenger app will be stopped. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.